making curry mangoes. So these are green mangoes or half-ripe mangoes. 3 of them cut up and washed. They're cold. And we're gonna put them to boil for 10 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna make the seasoning for the curry mango while it's boiling. We have 1 scotch bonnet pepper and we have like 5 cloves of, or maybe 4 cloves of garlic since this one's small. We're gonna grate it. Right, and we cut up the pepper. We're gonna take 2 teaspoons of curry powder. Teaspoon of anchar masala. Alright, so this is roasted ground cumin seeds. We're gonna take a 1/4 teaspoon, just about. Okay. For 10 minutes, the mango is done. We're going to strain it out. We're going to add some oil to the pot, 2 teaspoons. Have all of the curry mixture with the peppers and curry, and we mixed it with some water, maybe like 3 tablespoons. So that's all mixed in here.
And now you're going to throw it in the pot.
We're going to put it in the pot. So 2 teaspoons of salt. Cook covered for 5 minutes. So the mango has been cooking for 5 minutes and it's done. You just pick it up with your hand, like that. This is really good.